Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to TechLure, the spot where tech headaches come to chill out. Today, we're setting up MSI Afterburner for system performance monitoring and benchmarking. I'll guide you step by step to display CPU and GPU usage, temperatures, and more, right on your screen. Let's jump in. Alright, first things first. Just hop on Google and grab MSI Afterburner. Oh, and a little heads up. Stay away from the beta version unless you like surprises and random bugs. Nobody's got time for that. I've already downloaded on my desktop, so let's just skip ahead. After it finishes downloading, double-click and let the installation begin. When it tries to sneak in some random antivirus during setup, just uncheck that box. Trust me, you don't need extra junk slowing your PC down. Also install Riva Tuner and Desktop Overlay Host. They are included with MSI Afterburner. Now, open MSI Afterburner and go to the settings. From here, select the GPU you want to benchmark or monitor for performance during a game or a specific software. After selecting your GPU, open the Monitoring tab. Here, we will choose what we want to display during the game. Check all the graphs you want to monitor. But remember, they won't appear on screen until you check the small box under the GPU temperature graph properties that says Show in On-Screen Display. When you check the on-screen display box, you will see OSD appear in front of that graph. That's it. Now apply the settings and open your game. You can view the monitoring graphs in the top left corner. And that's how you set up MSI Afterburner for performance monitoring and benchmarking. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe to TechLure for more clear and simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.